So how does counting well for you help the school leaders, the school mathematicians, that they should take it very properly, like you call it as, that as expert driven course?
We made it a three-part course or three different components of the course. There is one which is a classroom component, which is more of a facilitating mode, right? We kind of get children to do various activities, and while they do those activities, they learn to make financial decisions. The next part is on the Countingwell app itself. So we have a series of modules which are there on the Countingwell app, which the children can do on a self-learning mode. So now when we combine both of these, wherever there is lack of expertise in the physical class, the app can supplement that, and vice versa. So that way it becomes a whole. And finally, we also have the component of a workbook where the children do a series of exercises as part of different modules that we cover.